Crayo AI Honest Review. Crayo AI is marketed as an AI tool for creating content, images, and business assets quickly. But how does it stack up? First is its features. Crayo offers AI powered image generation, text writing, and brand asset creation. It's positioned as a creative assistant for businesses and creators. Second is the ease of use. The platform is beginner friendly with templates and guide prompts. Compared to more technical AI tools, Cryo is approachable for non-coders. The third one is its limitations. While convenient, the results are not always unique. Some designs can feel generic, and advanced customization is limited compared to professional design tools. Fourth is the pricing. Creo AI has affordable plans, making it appealing for small businesses and freelancers who don't want to invest in multiple tools. So, for final verdict, in 2025, Creo AI is a handy tool for quick creative tasks, but not a full replacement for professional design software or experienced creators. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.